it is a positive sign that the recent surge is starting to reverse course. The federal government's website to order free at-home COVID tests is up and running, and it's even a day early.
Fox News' Ingrid Kelly with more on what you need to know to get those kits as soon as possible.
It's a major step by the Biden administration to slow the spread of COVID-19.
If we would have had this in the beginning, it probably would have slowed down the COVID.
On Tuesday, one day earlier than initially announced, the government started the process of taking orders for the rapid at-home COVID test kits through covidtest.gov. It's an initiative that makes 500 million test kits available to the public at no cost. The rollout comes as rapid test kits are in high demand and difficult to find at stores and pharmacies.
And that is kind of ridiculous. Like, I kind of need it as soon as possible because I have places to go. So with the new initiative the government has, I think that'll be a great idea.
Medical professionals believe that testing is one of the most effective ways to slow the spread of coronavirus.
The whole purpose of it is that so that if you do get sick, that you're not running to a store or running to another office where you can potentially infect more people.
Every home in the U.S. can now order 4 at-home COVID-19 test kits. The kits will not cost you anything and will be shipped out in late January. When you go to the website, you need to provide your contact information and mailing address, and then click Checkout Now.
Having 4 tests is good, and each test usually does have 2 swabs. So you don't have to go to an urgent care. You don't have to go to a drugstore. You don't have to go search for a test that's been so hard to get our hands on.
If you get a positive test result, doctors say trust the result and then report it.
It's a great indication in terms of if you test positive that you know that you have COVID, and that at that point you should call your doctor to get some advice on what to do. And then also you should report it to your local health department.
But there are times when additional testing is needed.
If you've had maybe 2 negative tests in a row and you're still concerned and you're having active symptoms, then I would opt to get a PCR test.
To learn more about getting test kits at no cost, go to fox2detroit.com.
It's a good thing to have on hand. So if you're able to order it and get it sent to your home, I would highly recommend it.
In Southfield, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.
Tonight, there's